More scrapping coming up. Got I got a stove, a dryer, wall heater, more pieces of the wall heater. Man, I swear to God, be careful what you tell the universe to bring you. Just might jump into the back of your truck. Metal scrapping, baby. Let's go hustle. Good morning from Coach Tom. That load that I showed you in those first two clips, we're gonna go drive it in and see what we make this morning. 42 degrees right now in this little harbor town, San Pedro. Let's go see what we can get today. Might even get some more. We'll see. More to tell. Gotta watch the road. Man, it is always going on at this place. Holy mackerel. Time to unload in the mountain of steel. And the morning sun coming behind it. Woo! Well, it's all clear. All hail, mountain of steel as the sun rises. All right, everybody, Coach Tom, I'm gonna wrap this one up. Every day I'm hustling. Let me show you the ticket of what we got from this metal haul. All right, good job, good job. Looking at it, we cleared 34 bucks and we had 800 and, I'm sorry, I'm getting old, man. That's 580 pounds. This is just driving back and forth to work, picking up stuff, easy peasy. The price per gross ton dropped again. Remember, I was as high as 150. Now we're 135 out here on the West Coast. Only an hour approximately with work. Hey, I'll do it. A lot of people say, hey, why are you doing this stuff? I want to leave a legacy after I'm gone that, hey, if you want to hustle, this person in your lineage did hustle. And I do it especially for my teenage kids, whether they have a truck or not. Hey, stop whining about what you don't have. If I can figure out how to do something with a truck, maybe you can figure out something too. You don't have to wait to be 16 to go make French fries. That's not bad because they sure don't pay you that per hour at the basic fast food place. Talk to you soon. Thanks for everything. Be safe out there. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Love that stuff. And remember, you gotta hustle.